playing around with some paint. Got some purple and gold, orange and gold, pink and gold, some blue, all metallics. Playing around. Purple. Haven't done this side yet. Don't know what color I'm going to do. These are going to be some earrings. I'll be resining those. Just playing around with some metallic paints. Loving, loving, loving. Got a little texture on that. And same paint, different technique. Brushed on that one and rolled this in the paint. So, playing around. More to come. Go create something amazing. Bye.